Hello, fellow Rangers. It's Blue Power Ranger 92 here, and welcome to the vlog number 39, I think. And today we'll have a look. I got it for Easter. It's what is it called? It's fidget spinner. Pause the video if you wanted to, right here. And in this logo right here, it's rocket gear. Let's get this open, shall we? You have to come with this bag right here, like in case you want to lose it. Open like here, open like so. They pull it out, and bam, you get this. It's not plastic; it's steel. See, it's metal. It's very good toy. And I question myself, why does this thing exist? I mean, look at it. I'll show you what it does. You spin like this, and you don't have to put a battery in this. See, it spins. It'll stop any minute. Any minute. It'll stop any minute now. And right there. It's very good toy that I made. You can hold it like this, like so. You can move around if you wanted to. Very good. Pretty cool, huh? Or is it good? You could do this all day. Pretty cool, neat toy. You can find this like this, and look for Wish. Go to Wish app and type in. Let's see. Just type in right here. Pause this video if you want to, and see how much this thing costs. Not even a penny, okay? Spinning Spin me, wow, wow, baby, wow, wow, like a record, baby, da, da, da. So, overall, what I think about this toy, I think I liked it. Really, I do. You said, what? You like? Yeah, I really like it. You know what I mean? This thing, it spins like non-stop. It is cool toy around this planet. I'll give this toy of 10 out of 10. You will see more new toys, not like this, but next week, tomorrow, I do some challenge of my own. I can't tell you, it's the biggest secret I ever do. Oh, I almost dropped this. Or you could do this. Balancing. Oh, dang it. Hold on. How try to balance this? Try to focus. I'll just keep playing this. This is a cool toy. Look at this. That was amazing. Huh. I'll just put it down and let it spin. Okay, spinning. Very cool. My mom told me about this. Seen it from YouTube. You won't review like I did. Just put the comments below. If you want to say about this, let me know. But this toy is pretty cool, neat toy I've ever seen. Look at that. It keeps spinning. Oh my gosh. I think it's supposed to stop right here. Or tomorrow I'll go do some challenge or another review. I'll do that tomorrow. Just keep watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comments below and subscribe to 30 subs. Not 30 million, 30 subs. It's up to you to get this toy, spinner toy. It's only the matter of time of this. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. This toy is brilliant. That's the best. That's really best toy in the year 2017. Man, I wish I get more of this, of spinner toy. Oh man. Holy moly! He just keeps spinning! I'll just continue to play this. Spin, 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 spin! Oh my god! This is amazing! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, spinning! Ah! Spin, 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 spin! So, what? Do you have fun and happy Easter holiday? This holiday? Man, this is unbelievable. Look at this shape. Look at those big arrows. Look. Look at the big arrows. Oh, hallelujah! Yeah. I love this. Spin. Spinning. That's so cool. Oh, this spinner are so cool. I like this so much, dude. Excuse me. I'm so hyped about this. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my god, that's so neat. Oh look. It's so shiny. So shiny. Oh my god. My mother was right. This is so cool. Dana, if you're watching this, this toy is so cool. I'm not crazy. I'm just. Oh man, I'm so loving to this. I'm so loving with this. Well, I'll do without it. Oh my man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's spin again. Oh my goodness. 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 Oh my god. This is so radical. Radical. Oh man, I don't know what I'm talking about today here. I'll just talk about this thing. These spinners. Oh my goodness. Spinning, baby. Spin, spinny. 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 Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It keeps spinning. Oh my god, this is so unbelievable. Whew, I need to calm down after this video ends here. Thus, and if you see more of review, please click like button, please. I'm totally hyped, and thank you so much for watching. Please reach 30 subs. And thank you for watching. Until then, morphin out. Yeehaw!